Hi, I'm Kerry, and in this video I'm just going to show you a quick overview of why you would want to synchronize your Windows Live Mail with Gmail. And essentially, Windows Live Mail is, as with any email client, is designed to manage your email on one computer. And it's not great, as you've probably found, if you try and access your email from another computer or from your home computer or your laptop or netbook. So by synchronizing it with Gmail, it means you can manage your email anywhere. So I'll give you a bit more detail in this video. Let's get into it. So whether you currently use webmail, or you currently use Windows Live Mail, or you use both but they're not synchronized, you can now get the best of both worlds. With this setup, you can email offline using Windows Live Mail, and you can email anywhere with Gmail. But first, let's just take a look at the typical email client and typical webmail setups, so you'll understand why. So here's a typical email setup using an email client. All emails arrive via the mailbox to your main computer. And sent mails are also stored on your main computer. And once you've read an email, that's marked on your computer, and so are folders that you've set up on your main computer. Now, the really good thing about an email client is that if you don't have an internet connection, you can continue to read and manage your emails. The bad thing is that there's no synchronization between your netbook or your laptop or your home computer and your main computer, because all your email is stored on one computer. Now let's look at webmail. So with webmail, people generally use it for a personal email because they don't want to have an @gmail.com or @hotmail.com address for business. However, more and more people are switching to webmail because you can access it from any computer that has an internet connection. But if you don't have an internet connection, this is the problem. You can't access your email. You can't even read old emails. You can't even look up information that's stored in an email in a folder. Or you can't start new emails, you can't read an attachment. So that's why we recommend combining Gmail and Windows Live Mail. So this is how it works. The Gmail IMAP server will manage all your email from all your email addresses, whether they're webmail or personalized or business addresses. And it will synchronize then with your own computers using Windows Live Mail as your email client, or with anyone else's computer using Gmail. When an email arrives, it's stored on the Gmail IMAP server, which means that it's visible from any computer. And you can also download a local copy or store a local copy on your own computers using your Windows Live Mail. So that means your email is still available offline. So let's say you leave the office and you take your laptop and you're on your way to a meeting in a taxi and you want to check the meeting address. Well, you can check this offline. Or if you can't get hold of the Wi-Fi key to work at your friend's house, or if it's just a lovely day and you want to work outside, you can still read your emails, you can create new emails, and you can sort emails into folders, knowing that when you have a connection again, the emails you've written can be sent and everything will be synchronized. So your connection arrives, the emails you've read are marked as read, the emails you've sent are stored on the Gmail server, and when you get back to your main computer, it all synchronizes. And the same goes for Gmail. If you're on anyone else's computer, all your emails are accessible. So here's a quick summary of the benefits of synchronizing Gmail and Windows Live Mail. All your email is synchronized on all your computers. You can access important information in your emails and write new emails while you're offline. You can work on all your email anywhere using Gmail. You can manage multiple email addresses in one window with one login, whether business or webmail addresses. Now, I didn't go into that in much detail. That actually comes into the advanced guide, but it's a very useful feature. And it's a one-off easy setup. You don't have to change your habits. You can keep on using Windows Live Mail. And when I say it's easy, okay, so it's not quite as easy as this little animation. There are certain things that definitely need to be done in a certain order, and there's certain settings you need to know about. But we do make it as easy as possible. The easy email guides give you step-by-step instructions with screenshots for every step of the way. And the essential guide shows you how to synchronize your email across multiple computers for one or two email addresses. This will already save you so much time and hassle. And then the advanced guide, as I mentioned, shows you how to manage multiple email addresses in one window with one login, each with their own inbox and sent mail. So it's all your email is perfectly organized no matter how many email addresses you have. So check it out for yourself. Go to www.easyemail.net and let's see how much time and hassle we can save you.